Alright, so this week we're on chapter 6 and we're talking about OSPF yet again. This time it's on multi-area. Multi-area OSPF is how we divide large OSPF networks. You have your different areas, and there's a lot of things with addressing and the routes, and sometimes you have to summarize those routes. Here's a little bit why we don't use single area in large network topologies. You have your routing table gets too big. All the routes is just too much for it. Same thing with the link state database and CPU cycles for the SPF algorithm. They're running too much. Here we have a multiple area topology. So we have these routers in area 1. We have area 0, which is the two, kind of like the two networks talking to each other here. We do this because, like I said earlier, we have efficient CPU time, and our routing tables are more smaller, compact. Okay, here we have an explanation of what these areas are. So we have our area 0, which is known as our backbone. This is where the two routers interconnect. And we have our non-backbone, which contains our little networks that we connect our users to. We have what each router is in these areas. So you have routers that are in your area, which are known as the internal routers. You have your backbone routers, because they're in the area 0 backbone area. You have your area border, which is on the border of your area. It connects each one. And you have your autonomous system boundary router, which connects them, goes out to internet. Okay, so here we have a couple different LSA types. Right now we have to worry about 1 through 5. So first we have a router LSA, which is the directly connected links. We have our network one, which is the network links between the routers. We have summary, which does the links outside of the network. And then 5, we have all external, outside the network links. Here's what our routing table looks like when you're using the OSPF. So you have the different tags here for your networks. O is your directly connected, which is your type 1. You have your OIAs, which is summary ones, and you have your OE2s, which is outside of the network, the external connections. It is important in the OSPF to summarize your routes. So we learned a little bit about this in the past. You take your networks and then you do the first matching bits, and you come out with new subnet mask for them.